Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select a template and then create a document with a standard format on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the browse icon down below and click on my phone in the location section, and then tap on create document, then choose a template. And here at the top of the screen you can see all of the categories that are available to use, such as basic, reports, books, letters, curricula vitae, flyers, posters, newsletters, stationery, certificates, miscellaneous. If you scroll down you can see all of the categories and the items that they contain. So if you have found one that you find interesting, click on the see all button and select one of these options, tap on it, and then you will be able to personalize your document. So you are going to get an like this is a template, so just simply click on the relevant part that you want to change or alter. So for example, the name, delete it and type in your name, and then fill it out with your own adding your own information and just simply personalize it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.